Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to rebuild your credit step by step using Clearscore's personalized recommendation. Let's get started. First, download the Clearscore app or visit their website and sign up for a free account. You will get instant access to your credit report and score. Once you're logged in, navigate to Insights or Action Plan tab. ClearScore analyzes your credit reports and gives you tailored tips to improve your score. For example, it might suggest a paying down high credit balance to lower your utilization rate, disputing errors on your reports like incorrect late payments, and lastly, register to vote at your current address. This boosts credibility. Follow this recommendation directly in the app. ClearScore lets you dispute inaccuracy with credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion without leaving the platform. Just upload evidence and track the status. Set up personalized alerts to monitor charges, like new hard inquiries or missed payments, so you can act fast. Pro tip: ClearScore's simulator tools show how actions, examples like paying off a loan, could impact your score before you even do it. Consistency is key. Check your insights weekly and celebrate small wins as your score climbs. And that's it. You're now using ClearScore to rebuild credit smarter, not harder. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments your number one credit goal. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.